Hi, are you looking for a career in data analytics or you are a data analyst who is working on data day and night? Then Excel is a must learn tool for you. But knowing Excel is not sufficient for you. You need to be super awesome in Excel if you want to rise in your career, if you want to take your career to the next level. Hi, my name is Ajay Parmar and I teach basic to advanced Excel. I have 11 years of hands-on experience as a data analyst before taking the teaching as a full-time profession, which eventually became my passion. I had worked with big companies like Aeon, Airtel, IBM, Tech Mahindra, EXL. Dear friends, I am teaching Excel from the last 12 years and I take corporate trainings. I teach students through my offline and online courses. I'm running a YouTube channel also which has more than 1100 videos on different topics which covers data analysis. And I also make Excel softwares for my corporate clients as a freelancer. Today, Excel is used in every business. It is used for analysis, human resource reporting, financial reporting, human resource management, operations management, and performance reporting. Are you agree with me? My students say that the way I teach Excel is the easiest method and they learn it so fast and gain so much knowledge throughout the training. Well, it is because teaching is my passion and not just a business. And then thanks to such a long career experience, which gave me an idea what a student initially is looking for in an Excel training program. I know very well what you want to learn from the training, from this course. I also know when and where your doubts will come. So you will be made very strong in fundamentals, in analyzing the data, in analyzing the situation, in troubleshooting the Excel errors as to what is the reason for an error and how to solve it technically. Dear students, in my 12 years of teaching experience, I have taught more than 30,000 students across the globe. My Excel training covers basic level, intermediate level, advanced level, and super advanced levels. Training goes at a right pace, explaining the fundamentals and the science behind how Excel works. You will learn all the basic and the advanced features and the functions in Excel. They are divided into various categories like financial functions, logical functions, lookup functions, data extraction functions, data nine functions, and so many things. So let us have a look and understand what we are going to cover in this training, which is basic to advanced Excel training. Knowing the fundamentals of a cell referencing, day-to-day normal activities like adding a sheet, deleting a sheet, renaming a sheet, and all the major minor shortcut keys which can speed up your Excel work, how to add, subtract, multiply, divide, how to find out the remainders, how to find out the frequency of a number in a given set of an array, lookup family functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, match, index, XLOOKUP, and how to use them together, which is called mixing of two or more functions. For super powerful results, this is where real advanced Excel learning counts, where I will discuss a real-time situation with you and then you have to participate in that and you have to go and try to find out the solution, which is obviously is not going to be a direct solution. This will make you creative in Excel and every chapter will challenge your creativity, how much deeper you can think about a concept. We will take a deep dive into logical functions like single if, nested if and, if or, ifs, and see their use with the lookup functions as well, like how you can use the if functions, VLOOKUP function or the match function or the index function, any combination. We will go and learn it. What a situation is demanding, which combination a situation is demanding, we will learn it all. This is going to be a full practical course, strongly focusing on the fundamentals from indirect function to row function, address function, offset function, column function, name managers, data validations, conditional formattings, advanced conditional formattings, filter as a function, filter as a feature, advanced filter with different criteria, all Office 365 latest functions with right examples. We will learn everything. And how about learning super advanced arrays, which is the most difficult task in Excel. But trust me, I'm going to teach you in the right and easy manner so that you can solve every complex thing in Excel using these arrays. Then last but not the least, we have the pivots, we have the charts, pivot slicers, dashboards, themes, ActiveX controls, form controls. There is so much. I can go on and on. You know, Excel is so vast. I have just given you an idea what this training is going to cover. So friends, come and join the training. I bet you will not be disappointed. So much of my energy, hard work, passion, as practical experience has got into this course. I don't just teach, I help you in your career by making you super awesome in Excel. So I shall see you in the training.